Hey everyone, it's Kim and I am very excited. I got the first 3 entries in the mail today, so I'm going to be doing 3 videos here because I want to do each one for each entry. And I'm also going to do what I did last year when I had my challenge, and that's make a playlist. So all the videos with all the entries will be in one spot for you guys to just watch whenever. So this very first entry is from the very lovely Marlene, who you all know is Mars from Michigan. And I'm going to put the link to her channel in the description box. Please go over and sub to her. She's a very talented lady, and she goes live a couple times a week and does some really great tutorials, and I just think her channel's fantastic. So please go over and sub to her. And this is her entry, and I just cut the end off. I haven't peeked. I don't know what's in here. So let's open it up and see. Take out what's inside. Okay, that's everything. So let's see what we have here. I'll see if I can find a card. Oh my gosh, what did you do there, Marlene? Oh, there's the card. Okay. So let's do that first. And oh my goodness, these pockets look amazing. So let me open the card up here. Oh, it's Winnie the Pooh! I love Winnie the Pooh! A hug, said Pooh, is always the right size. Well, that is very true. Aw. Aw. Okay, I'm sure it's exactly what I wanted. The challenge was to do a couple of pockets and to do them in your own style, so I can see already that they're fantastic. So thank you for this lovely card. I love it. I love Winnie the Pooh, so thank you for that. So let me see. I think, yeah, I think these are the pockets. These ones, I think. So let's save those for the end, and we'll open these first and see what's in here. Love these bags. Pretty sure, how do you open that? Is that the way? Or am I opening it wrong? It's been one of those days today, guys. Yep, okay. Wow, that's really stuck there. So let's maybe use some scissors. How about that? Let's do that. We'll just cut it open here. That would be easier, I think. So let's see what we've got here. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, it is a pocket. How wonderful. How many did you make, girl? Oh, wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, and look, she's even got a little snap on it. I love it, Marlene. I love it. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's gorgeous. I think she's made like 4 or 5 of them. Oh my goodness, these are amazing. I love that. And she's included some lovely things for junk journaling. How awesome is that? Note to self, paper. Oh, I love this. I love this. Look at this beautiful flower here. Oh, and it's got the information on the back. Those are cool. Oh, and look at some Christmas pieces here. Well, I do want to do a Christmas junk journal this year too, so yay. Oh, Marlene, these are awesome. Thank you. Look at how pretty. And I think she's like got them color coordinated. Oh, wow, this is so beautiful. I love this lace. Look at how pretty this is. I love it. You did a fantastic job on that. I love it. Thank you so much for that. Beautiful. And I see another one. So we're going to do the same thing because Kim is all fumbly today. So we're just going to cut the bottom. Let me put these here so you can see them. And then we'll take this one out. I love how you've coordinated these. That is such a cool idea. So here she's got a beautiful rose. Oh, I love that you sent me these pieces for junk journals. That is such fun. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. You can never have enough ephemera for junk journals, right? Look at that. Super pretty. Oh, I love this paper. I love this paper. That's gorgeous. I don't know what this paper is, but you'll have to tell me what this is, Marlene. I love it. Thank you. And look at this. And this one she's got Velcro on. You have done an amazing job. Look at, and it's got this beautiful, it's not quite peach, it's a little darker rickrack. I love this lace. This lace is gorgeous. And then she's got some beautiful pink and silver trim there. I love it. These are fantastic. And look, they're nice and deep. Oh, those are beautiful. Thank you so much. These are fantastic. I love them. Thank you. And then we've got this one here. I know you're probably yelling at me because I'm opening these wrong, but you know. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, these are great. These are great. I love them. And then in this one, she's got some alphas here. Another little note to self. I love these flower pages. These are so fantastic. I love them. Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, I'm so saving these for a Christmas journal. These are fantastic. How cool. I love this paper. Seriously, it's beautiful. Look at that. So shabby and pretty. I love it. Oh, wow. And look at this. That is just stunning. Look at this. It's like a linen fabric. And she's got this beautiful applique here with the flat backs. And look at this beautiful doily here with these multicolored crochet on it and the embroidery. I love it. Love it. Love the crocheted piece here. I love this trim. I love, love, love that color tone together. Blues and purples and pinks. I love it. Little bows with resin pieces. And then she's got two little snaps on this one. Oh, that's gorgeous. These are just absolutely gorgeous, Marlene. Thank you so much. Gosh, you have been busy, girl. Okay, this one I can open. Yay. Now, I'm not sure if this is the one she was making the other day when I went to her live class. Or if it's a different one. Let's see. Oh, no, it's different, but I love it. More gorgeous ephemera. Fantastic. Who can't use all these pieces for journaling? I love it, and I love these. I have nothing like this for junk journals, so thank you so much for that. Oh, I love this paper. Love it. And then this one is more mixed media, and she's used corrugated card. Oh, it's fantastic. I just love it. And then she's tied some ribbon around a couple of buttons for the closure. And she's got a vintage doily here on the corner. Beautiful gold rickrack, some blue flowers, and some lace. Beautiful butterfly here. Look how gorgeous this is. I love it. I love it. That is so nice. And look at, she's got this beautiful gold lace on the inside, and you can get lots of goodies on the inside here, I think, too. So pretty. Oh, and there's a little pocket there. Oh, I see what you did. That is the pocket right there. Look at that. That's the pocket there. I love it. It's a faux pocket, I believe. Yes, it is. It's a faux pocket. That is clever. Really clever. I love that. Yeah, it's a faux pocket. Yep. I love that idea. Oh, so clever. Wow. I love this. Look at this beautiful trim here, and these buttons are just amazing. They're beautiful. So that will be going in a junk journal for sure. And then last but not least, we have this piece of beauty here. I'll get this one open. Look, this one I figured out how to open. Oh my gosh. This, I'm pretty sure, is a napkin. Look at this one. Oh, I love it. That's gorgeous. And she's got ephemera on the inside. Oh, beautiful. Let me just get this all out. I see what you did. I actually have been doing this very same thing, Marlene, so great minds think alike. There's something in there. I just want to get that out. Did I get everything out? Yes, I did. So she's Mod Podged the napkin, and then she's made it into this fantastically shabby, beautiful pocket. Oh, look, and she even put some flowers on the back. Look at this beautiful gold trim she's got here going around the edges. And all these clusters of pink and peach roses with some stamens. I love it. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Oh, Marlene, you did such a beautiful job on all of these. And more beautiful ephemera here. I love this paper. Oh, I love that. Roses, roses. I love roses. More of that gorgeous Christmas paper. Yeah, I need to know what this paper pad is. I totally need to know what that is. Thank you so much for all of that. And let me just share these again with you guys. Her beautiful pockets that she's created. And you did an amazing job. This idea, super smart. Super smart. I love this idea. That's so great. I love it. So she made 5 pockets. Wow, girl, you've been busy. Look how amazing these are. And all this beautiful ephemera that I can use in my journals. Oh, Marlene, thank you so much for everything. I absolutely love it all. I really do. And you did such a beautiful job. And the link to her channel, which is Mars from Michigan, is down below in the description box. Please go over and sub to this super talented lady. You can see how amazingly talented she is. Look at all of these. They're beautiful. Thank you so much, Marlene. So check out her channel in the description box, guys, and I will be back shortly with my next entry. Take care, and thank you again, Marlene. Bye-bye.